Hi everyone. Okay, so I have my Spellbinders came in, and it came in a while ago. All my stuff came in a while ago. I just haven't had time. I haven't been home to film. So let's see what we get. We got Scattered Fall. I don't even know what the sneaks are of this. I didn't pay attention this time around. So it's just really glary right now. But okay, so that is the embossing folder of the month. And then we have the large die of the month. Oh, how cute. It's a tractor. Oh, look, and it's got corn. It's got, yeah, that's proper, right? Corn, a gourd, I think. A pumpkin. Yeah, they're gourds. Oh, how cute is that? I love that. Look at the detail. Let me put it here. Look at the detail, guys. It says happy fall, which is cool because that's what we say here in California, fall. We don't say autumn. And oh, this is the Amazing Paper Grace APG die of the month. It is a pop-up 3D vignette bubblegum machine. Ash. This one is a square. How cute. Oh, I love that. Look at how cute this is, you guys. Oh, wow. I love that. I choose you. Oh, how cute. I love that. That's awesome. Okay, and remember this I get the whole kit and caboodle, and so it is $109.25, something like that. Oh, look at the gnomes. Oh my gosh, look at the gnomes. They're fall gnomes. So you have pumpkins, coffee, everything, acorn, pumpkins, pumpkin pie, and 2 gnomes. Oh my god, a baby gnome and a big gnome, and you get the coordinating die. Oh, look at the gnomes little die. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. That is awesome. Okay, and then we get the stitched fall leaves. This is the small die of the month. Oh, so stitching. And now that I can't, no, I don't know how, I know. I'm like, oh, now I know how to stitch. Not really. I know how to cross stitch now, but not stitch. So I'm a little behind on that one. And then this one is the Glimmer of the Month set. Wait, did I show you samples? I didn't show you samples. Did I show samples of this one? Well, here's a better version of that. Yeah, okay. So, and then this was the back of this one. I love leaves. I love getting leaves. So this is the Glimmer of the Month. This is so heavy, you guys. I still have not turned on my machine. I'm so behind on doing crafts, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so behind. But when my husband, and then you get the Glimmer. This one's aluminum. I love getting this too. When we get, I love the fact that they give you the hot foil, and with that, whatever. So, yeah, when my husband retires, I'm set for life. I can get off all the Facebook groups, everything else, because I'm not going to be able to, well, I mean, I'll be able to buy, but I mean, we're going to be on a, fixed income, and so, but I'll be set for life. I don't need to buy anything else for the rest of my life since I have 5 craft rooms. I don't need to. Okay, 10 cards, 10 envelopes that coordinate with them. That's standard, what we get. We also get standard pop dots and standard rolled adhesive. Like Mrs. Doubtfire. Okay. Maybe I had too much coffee already. I don't know. A stamp set that says, thanks. You make this world a more beautiful place. May your day be filled with all the good things. That's cute. I like that. Oh, and look at stitches. In the quilt of life, friends are the stitches that hold it together. Oh, since I got back into quilting, this is perfect. So cute. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm loving this, you guys. Oh, wait, we'll leave that to the end. Okay, let's see. So much stuff. I love getting this kit. This kit I look forward to every single month. It is the best thing ever. We get 9 pieces of paper, so this one is a silver foil. We get purple, green, navy, baby blue, baby pink, yellow, mustard yellow, grayish, and white. I'm sure they all have names, but that would require me to remember, and that is not going to happen. Okay, oh look at it. So it's all stitching, and you guys, I'm all into stitching now. So this is perfect. This, oh, I love this so much. This is so awesome. I love it. Aw, so cool. I love getting these chipboard stickers. Oh, look at the floss. Ah, look at, you guys, I got back into quilting. I got back into I got into cross stitching. So this is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay. And we got stickers. So when so basically what I'm excited about is that I use this stuff for my project life, and so I have been documenting my stitching. So it's going to be fun to use this on my stitching layout. So that's why I'm so excited about that. So I have stickers for it. Then you have sentiments. So much fun. Oh gosh, yep, this is going to be used on my project life, you guys. And I'll make my mom a card too. My mom crochets and she does embroidery. Embroidery is different than cross stitching, so just, you know that. It's different. So my mom embroiders and I cross stitch. Yeah, I'm a cross stitcher. I'm just gonna say it. Yeah, I am. Almost one completed project down, so I'm so excited. I have a floss tube and I share that on there, and it's an exciting adventure. You know what? Life is supposed to be fun, right guys? Life is supposed to be fun. If you're miserable, then sorry, that's too bad. But if you're fortunate enough to afford kits like this, or afford cross-stitching kits or anything like that, then you know what? Then I'm grateful. I'm grateful I can. And so I don't take any moment for granted. So having this stuff is fun because I can use it. I can totally use this. You get 2 of each, and I love that they're 2 together instead of, you know, the normal paper pads where you get the first like 12 and then you start over again. So this one they start doing it 2 to 2. But my mom embroiders and crochets. That's her passion, and quilts. But we do applique. She loves to applique more than quilt, and I do applique and quilt. This is hearts, stitched hearts. Okay, so that was that. Okay, and then, oh, one more. Look at, I love this, you guys. This is awesome right here. This is totally awesome. And it feels like it has, yeah, it's a sticker. It is a complete sticker. Let's see if we can get them in here. Yeah, this is going to be, I don't use a hoop. I do in-hand stitching. And I think it's called, I don't know if it's called in-hand or hands. I don't know. But either way, I don't use a hoop, but this is still going to be cute for it to put my, yeah, yeah, ideas galore. I'm good. I love it. This is awesome kit. Even the colors are fun. Okay, I'm just going to buzz right through these because Yana Spellbinders, they go through each and every single one of them on their YouTube channel. So if you want to see them in full detail, oh look at the floss, then, and those are needles in the circle, then I would suggest go there and see them for sure in all their glory. Oh, look at the sewing needles. Oh, look at the spool holder. Oh, I love it. Thread holder. Yarn. You got knitting. So these are like knitted sweaters, I would imagine. And this is knitting needles. I don't know how to knit. I don't want to get into knitting. I can't do anymore. I can't do any more crafts. I can't find love in any more crafts because I have no more room in my house, nor time. That's the biggest thing, trying to juggle everything. Oh my gosh, guys. Let me scoot you in that way you can see a little better. Trying to juggle it all. I haven't quilted in like a month, and then I made 2 tops back to back within a week. So it's sporadic. And then I got into stitching 1 month ago. September 1st is when I started my project. and I have been stitching every single night, and I stitch 5 hours. Oh, look how cute that one is. I stitch about 5 hours a night, and I diligently work on my project, and it's taken me this long to get it done. So if you watch my floss tube video, you'll see where I'm at in that project. But I'm hoping tonight I should be finishing the boy gnome. That should be done by tonight, I hope. So, because I'm just loving it, you guys. It's such a fun thing. Oh my gosh, it really is. Sorry, husband's working, so I forgot to turn that down. All right, guys. So that it's all sewing related, and sewing, quilting, knitting, crafts. It's craft related. All right, guys. Then I love this kit so much. What do you guys think? Yes. All right, guys. Take care. I'll see you in a couple of weeks because I'm so late and so behind, and so this is. I think we got it late too, though, truth be told, but I'm not sure. But yeah, I'll see you in a couple weeks. Bye.